Hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Hello Play app not working problem solved. So guys, as we all know that at first we have to do our mobile data on. After that we have to go for Play Store. After going Play Store we have to search our app name Hello Play. HELLO Hello Play gaming app. So guys, here you can see this. This is the Hello app. Till now, if we have not updated this app, then make sure that you have to update this. After updating this app, come to the setting once. Settings. After coming in setting, click here. Search for app management. After coming in app management, click to app list. So you can scroll down on your and search for Hello Play app. After you reach here, click in this force stop. After clicking this force stop, click in here storage uses. So now you should click here clear cache and clear data. After clicking in both that, setting app management app management list Hello Play. You should come here to the permission and storage. Make sure that your app should be allow. If you're not allowing, it won't happen to be gone. So after doing this, go once to the setting and search for software update. So guys, if your mobile is not updated, the software update now. So guys, after doing this all, if it's not going through, then switch off your mobile once and turn it on. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.